Recently, many users have expressed curiosity and concern on internet forums about a new app that has appeared on their Android devices. Some users are wondering what this app does, why it was installed on their device without prior consent, and whether it is necessary or not. According to Google's own security blog post in October 2024, this app is actually a content scanner designed to detect and flag sensitive content, including nude images, on Android devices. Some users may be concerned about the potential implications for their personal data and privacy. For those who wish to do so, I'm going to show how to remove or disable it. To remove the unwanted feature, I'll be walking you through the process on my device, which is running Lineage OS. Please note that the steps may vary slightly depending on your device and operating system. To start the disinfection process, go to the Settings menu, and from there, I'll open the Apps Manager. To show the app, I need to enable the view for system apps in the Apps Manager. I'll scroll down the list to find the Android System SafetyCore app. Alternatively, I can also use the search function to quickly locate it. I'll scroll down the app details page to find out more information about it. On this page, I can see various details such as the app's version number. It seems that the app has received a lot of negative feedback from users, with many giving it a 1-star rating. The main reason for this appears to be the app's content scanning feature, which some users perceive as a form of censorship. Many people value their privacy and freedom to use their devices as they see fit, and the idea of an app scanning their content without their explicit consent can be unsettling. Let's join the chorus of dissatisfied users and give the Android System SafetyCore app a 1-star rating. Let's show that we won't tolerate apps that compromise our freedom and autonomy. Let's take the next step and get rid of it. To do this, we'll go back to the app's info page and look for the disable or uninstall button. Once we've uninstalled the app, it should be completely removed from our device, and we shouldn't see it running in the background or scanning our content anymore. However, as mentioned in the article, it's possible that Google might try to reinstall the app through a future update or other means. Let's stay vigilant and keep a close eye on our devices and the apps that are installed on them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.